You do that. You know, in class, the teachers will talk about set goals as if it's like a broken record. That broken record makes people successful. People that set goals succeed. They have something to check. Done. When you don't set any goal and you look around us, you're always asking people, get alive, set goals. That means set goals ending. Set goals what you'll be doing at home. I'm going home. Okay, I've dropped off from school. So what is there to be done at home? Unga engaging just like in grade 1, grade 2. Became money, gone. Nothing, nowhere to be found. That is total disrespect for your parents. Your mother should never look for you and never find you. The only time they can ever find you is when you tell Mama, I'm going across 2 streets, you won't be able to see me. But I'll be back in 1 hour. Time management. I am talking about setting goals and time management. When you tell your parents where you're going, you are saying to them, I love you, I don't want you to stress, I will be back. But when you disappear, you're saying to your mother, you can have a heart attack, I don't care, you can die. That's what you're saying. Actions speak louder than words. I'll say that again. When you don't tell your parents where you're going, on the other side you're saying, and you will cut a land of mine. 2, I don't care, you give me clothes to go to school, I eat in this house, I sleep in this house, I don't care, you can die. How are you all fucking kingdom? Exactly. But that's what it means. Let them know where you are. Let them know. That is obedience, respect, and honor. Technology, text, phone. These are my lady mama. Please, give me 20 minutes, give me 1 hour. Go home. Ladies and gentlemen, the best place for you to grow is in the house. It's not in the streets. How many of you really meet with your friends and go, okay, have you achieved your goal? We talk about life, isn't it? Oh, you do? Yeah, they do. But most of us, like me, well, now we talk about, so what are we having lunch and what are we eating and what we're doing? Nina, you have no luxury to waste time. Ladies and gentlemen, we talked about time management. Time management means doing things when you're supposed to do them and finish them. And that's it. Now, time management is that you cannot, oh, by the way, when we say time management, you cannot manage time. You manage what you're doing. I'll say that again. Time cannot be managed. You manage what you're supposed to do. If you say 2 o'clock, you're going to be at the place 2 o'clock. When you miss that, you've messed up with the time. Because then the rest of the staff will lose its place. Hence, the school says be at 8 o'clock to start at 8 o'clock. Otherwise, the teachers are going to lose and get lost because now they don't have their 40. Is it 40 minutes still? An hour. So that hour is 20 minutes gone. How are they going to do it? And by the way, when a teacher is late, is not coming early for that lesson, you are responsible to open your books and start working. Shut up, don't talk. So by classing, making noise. You need to be accountable, responsible. When the teacher comes in, the teacher must walk in and go, you, I give up this. I see it because they know you're working. But they worry. They have to be in class with you because there's no productivity. Cell phones say, mobile center, young people, who's only 1 + 1? You go like, 2 teachers, you need to be definite with what you know. You need to be the best. You need to be an expert in biology, an expert in English, an expert in science. Be an expert in life science. Home economics, what do you call it? What? ENAs. Be an expert. So hamba ufela information from other leaders that you're sitting in the same class. I mean, that is true. Sister, after classes, you the one always asking for money. What are you doing here? Stop that. It's done now. You're going to high school to varsity. There's no borrowing of books. If you don't have it, make a plan to get it. If you don't have it, you don't write, you are done. You'll be one of those dropouts. And yet you're intelligent. You don't deserve to drop out, guys. You are all not going to drop out. You are all going to finish whatever degree, diploma you're going to do. You are all going to graduate. You are all going to be the winners of this life. Now, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I would like us to do something together. Is there any question, any comment? No comment, no questions? You guys are ready for matric? Yes. Exams, I mean. It's okay to say no. I mean, not all of us can be ready. We'll probably be ready when it's knocking at the door. Okay, now it's it. I need to be ready. Yes. Good days at home. Share with us. That's quiet. She's talking, I'm listening. Hey, hello. I'm listening. Talk to me. Don't disrespect. Disrespecting parents is not good. It's not good. And God are not going to be great, but let's respect each other, alright? Yes. At all times, respect each other. At all times. Because that's very important. Now, how many of you know what a pledge is? A pledge. How many of you have got a pledge for your life? Okay. It's a commitment for life, isn't it? Yes. A commitment for life. And a pledge gives you grounding. A pledge will guide you. Now, how many of you say, I don't have a pledge? Because then I can send it to the teacher, you can have it, print it, sign it, put it behind the door in your house, so you can grow as a person all the time. All right, I'll send it to the teacher and she'll share with you guys. This is one of the things that will help you.